Okay, let us derive the quadratic formula using the standard form, and yung method na gagamitin, syempre yung completing the square. So let us start off with standard formula, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So first, di-divide muna natin lahat ng term, including 0, sa a. So cancel ang a. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus c over a equals 0. Then we have to transfer c over a sa kanan. So x squared plus b over ax equals negative c over a. Then we have to get the third term. So x squared plus b over a x plus blank. So kailangan perfect square trinomial yung lalabas dito. So equals negative c over a plus blank. So kung ano yung inad nyo dito sa kaliwa, yun din sa kanan. So, para makuha natin yung third term dun sa kaliwa, you have to multiply b over a by 1/2. Okay. Or pwedeng divide 2. Parehas lang naman yan. So, lalabas ay b over 2a. Then, square. So, we have b squared over 4a squared. So, ang i-add natin dito is b squared over 4a squared. Then, b squared over 4a squared. Yan. Then, sige, i-rewrite muna natin. X squared plus b over ax plus b squared over 4a squared equals negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. Then, if a-factor natin to, since this is a perfect square trinomial, so, kunin lang natin yung square root nitong b squared, which is b squared ng 4a squared, which is 2a. So, dalawa. So, x plus b over 2a equals, i-add na natin itong fraction sa kanan. So, ang kanilang LCD ay 4a squared. So, yung 4a squared, i-divide natin dito sa a. So, ang lalabas ay 4a. So, times naman natin yung 4a dito sa negative c. So, we have negative 4ac. Then, 4a squared divided by 4a squared is 1 times b squared. So, we have b squared. Okay, rewrite natin as a square of binomial, itong kanilang factor. So, we have x plus b over 2a squared equals, so, ano natin na, i-arrange natin, b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Then, extract the square root. So, we have x plus, cancel na lang ito na, x plus b over 2a equals positive, negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay? Ang square root ng 4a squared ay 2a. Then, transpose itong negative, b over 2a. So, we have x equals negative b over 2a plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So, i-rewrite na natin siya. X equals negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, this is now the quadratic formula.